I use
Mhm.
Notion
Oh, yeah.
primarily for a lot of, not only for outbound, but for a lot of my lead magnets and to create my programming. So you have your own programming inside of Notion that we go through every week. And then I'm getting into Zapier. I saw today you have this awesome list you built on Twitter using Zapier.
Yeah, Zapier is powerful. I've been diving into some of the different things you can do. I was actually trying to create this plugin with Zoom here, where it kind of like transcribes all of the conversation, pulls notes out using AI and stuff. I'm a big fan of Notion as well. I find that to be a really good tool for kind of organizing not only your own thoughts, but same thing, giveaways, and it's such a powerful platform. I only started using it about probably within the last 7 months, but I've completely abandoned my Google Docs
Yeah.
and all of that stuff just to get to use Notion. It's such a powerful platform.
Yeah, I think it's one of those tools where you can literally do anything with it, and they have such a great user interface that helps you build anything from a second brain to automations in a CRM.